Hello viewers, welcome to another Super Sport video. Today we are investigating a pretty big oil leak on Radar, so sit back, watch us, and we'll find out what it is. Righto, let's get the cover off.
I do.
Hopefully, because this vehicle's that old, we don't have to worry too much about. Well, when they're new, you don't have to worry about the box being exactly the same. When they're old and dirty and dusty, you do. Rattle gun's making us so much easier. I love a rattle gun. Where did that ball go?
You destroyed it because the thing went into your head.
It did get rid of my head, that's why. Cover out of the way.
Why do I open the covers? Why don't you just put it all together?
Eh?
Why do you have to like separate it?
Oh, don't. No, it's Hyundai things.
Kia, sorry. Get it.
It's not a Kia, it's a Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Oh, another one.
Why do I got a clock in there? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's pointing at 12, and one of them is pointing at 9.
That's your radiator cover.
It's got rocks in there. Yeah.
It does.
Maybe it's good that we're cleaning, eh?
Let's place some of these out of the way, viewers. Because they're my outside ones and our ones ruined. Right, legit get under there and start grabbing the other side.
Where? Like this?
Got one in there.
I see what you mean.
Yeah, and one in there. And right at the back.
Oh. There's not. Oh. Oh. I don't think we want to see that.
That's your sassy arm. There's a lot of oil there.
Oh my god.
We've got a lot of oil.
Oh, look in there.
Right, now I'm going to climb in where you are.
Oh, that's not my belt. I think we're looking at the thing
I'm
there.
going to climb in where you are.
Supposed to be underneath my car.
If you get out, you have to get on the other side. I'm going to climb in where you are.
Oh, we'll investigate you guys. No, you're fine. I'm fine. My neck's not though.
Where is this oil leak? Well,
Can't just,
I think it's pretty well.
can't just clean it. The problem is we need a hoist so you can pick things up. So where's my exhaust? Connected. Isn't it like a front exhaust section?
Exhausted.
What, that thing there?
I reckon it could be.
Well,
That's not loose, so it's not coming off the sump. But there is it could be your sump gasket.
where's that one now?
Well, that's your sump. So that's your sump gasket.
Oh, it could be because there's a lot there.
Yeah, there is.
Look at it.
Lot.
Look at all that.
It's all just
Drenched.
drenched in.
We should take the phone and show them.
Well, if you want to grab the camera, you can.
You're the recorder. You're the camera. Well, it's not my it's not even near my transmission.
No.
Transmission's over there.
Yeah, but that's got blow back from.
Yeah, so it doesn't even. It just looks like it's not even my transmission. See, I told you it's not my transmission. Cake? Cake's not the word.
Cake. It is cake. It is great, viewers. Ow! Righto, we are coming with me.
Oh, damn! He tapped him, dude. It's not attacking my alternator though.
Righto.
Or my belt.
Let's jump under here, viewers, and you can see how.
It's a good thing, isn't it?
Bloody bad.
Bloody bad. Oh, it's a bit rusty too. Oh.
See, that's the sump.
Yes.
It's all. There we go. That's a better view. Look at it. It's absolutely covered in it. So we're going to try and investigate and work out where this is coming from. Now, it could be this sump here. The actual gasket could be failed. It looks like they've tried to glue it.
Oh wait, what?
before.
Look at it.
Where the gasket go, and
Look, it's even there too.
That's obviously not the.
Oh, it's ripping apart. It's glue because it's ripping apart up there.
It's probably not the best option, but you can see it's really wet just here. See how that's really wet, which means you're now actually losing oil.
I'm losing coolant.
Is that coolant as well? You're losing right.
Oh shit.
We could be stumbling upon something. That could be the water pump.
Oh fuck.
It could be anything from the front because it's all there.
But that wouldn't be making a whine though, would it?
Yeah, it could be, because I don't think there's anything actually wrong with the trend.
No, because the transmission's over there. It's only just got the wind blowing.
That's all oil, I reckon. Yeah, that's just oil from your engine.
That's just
so that's you got oil coming out of your engine here.
Oh god.
So we now need to look out the front end. So we need to get the bonnet open, and that's what we're going to do next. Get you positioned, and then we'll be back with another video.
I'm not losing a lot though.
Righto everyone, so this is the continuing of the video there. Widget is driving back. We are just coming back from someone I know's, we had to use their hoist just to get it up on a hoist. So we were looking at the problem. It looked very serious. It looked like it was a lot of sort of seals and a lot of issues. What it actually he reckons it is, he's a proper mechanic, so he reckons, and an engine builder, but he reckons it's a harmonic balancer seal, so that's $3.50. I'll spread that like that so you can see both of us. It's also could be the valve cover gasket, which I did as well, and I didn't take the inlet manifold off completely, which is in one of our videos there. You can see it's like an hour-long video. It's a massive video, but that was cold. What are you on about? It was freezing. And we also found out what the problem might be with this aircon too, because Rich has been noticing a bit of an issue with the aircon as well. Look, it's the Wenties, boys. So yeah. So that could be the condenser fan. So what we're thinking of doing is just doing about $50 worth of parts here. So we'll get the new serpentine belt. We'll get the harmonic balancer seal, because there's no point. It costs you hundreds of dollars. Like he reckons $800 or something for the harmonic balancer. So we'll just get the seal, rip it off, put the new one back on. As long as it spins, it's all fine. We'll get the valve cover gasket. So that video will probably be coming out. We'll replace the back bank. We're going to do that video over Easter, so we've got about 4 days worth of time there. We can muck around with doing that. So that's the plan. We're going to get the parts together, but for the time being, we'll just keep topping her up, keeping her going, and then Project Rainer will be good again for a little bit longer. What we probably worked out is that it possibly could have also been a bit of stock leak already in there from the last person, just to stop it from leaking. And that's so. When I did the last valve cover gasket and then done the oil change, that kind of screwed it. So we can leave the oil in there, which is good. We don't have to do an oil change. We just did the valve cover, just the back one. We'll buy the whole kit, and then if we just wreck one of them, we'll put another one back in another time. It's an annoying job, but we'll get there. We'll just go slow and try and get that back in that manifold off and go from there. So righto, that's basically where we're at. We're driving back home now. It's time to go make some homemade pizza and have something to eat. And so we'll see you on the next one. Till then, drive safe and be safe. Bye.